Okay. Oh, try it again. Well, remember, 2 were lost yesterday.
No, there was 2 in there. And
Yeah, the one your dad took off of his and Skylar's. And then you put it on Jason's and then he has it again.
I know, but there was another. There was 2 in there.
But I thought I had another one.
There was 2 in there. There should have been 1 more in there.
You don't know where it went?
Hi, did you take a bobber? What? Did you take a bobber?
No. I'm watching. Oh, almost.
Look at that bird. Look at that bird, Kaya.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Up above you. I don't know, Beth. That's weird.
Woohoo!
Jason, quit touching my car. Just quit touching my car.
That's weird. I wonder where it went. What time is it?
Oh, it's bobber.
What time is it?
I don't know. My phone is on video recording. Woohoo!
5:30. You find it?
Huh?
Wonder why we don't have. Where'd it go? Look around.
Uh-oh, careful.
Grab it.
Oh, it was in the
It's locked.
tackle box.
Whoop.
Hey! Jason!
Oh, you forgot to let go. Holy shit. Keep on going. It's out there.
Where can Alicia put this picture on Facebook again?
I don't even want
Which one? The one of her almost ready type thing?